Hey guys, what's up? It is the holidays and I wanted to show everyone a really easy craft you can do with your kids. You can get all these things from the Dollar Tree. Crafts are a great way to develop language because they're working on attending skills, they're working on sitting, making choices. Do you want this color or this color? And this is actually something people would actually want to use. Now, I always make holiday wreaths every single year, and this is a great way to get your kids involved. And the best part is you can get it from the Dollar Tree. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start out with one wreath, and then we're gonna do some pipe cleaners. Now, what I also like about crafts is I usually work in feeding and language, and what's great about crafts is they're working on a lot of sensory things that you do when you're touching food. But for kids that are super picky, crafts are a great way to get their hands wet with working with glue, but they're not pressured to eat. So we're gonna start with pipe cleaners, and you could talk about the softness, how it's sharp and not to touch, talk about colors, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie our pipe cleaners around the edges. What I'm doing is I'm just gonna tie a knot. You could twist, but this is the easiest way to do it, and then you're just gonna pull it tight. And it should look just like this. You want it to be even. I did it with one hand while I was holding the camera. And you wanna do it on each one of these, 1, 2, and 3. You can count with your kids. Let them choose which pipe cleaners they wanna make. This is a great way to do different NFL teams. I'll show you the one that I did. Other option is you can just buy them already done. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and they tend to be on sale after Christmas, and I got them like 90% off, so this was probably 30 cents. But if you want just a cheap option, also without the pipe cleaners, you can get pipe cleaners and this from the Dollar Tree. They also have larger ones at Walmart. So next what you're gonna do is just take this tool and tie it in on each row and go around. I like to do 2 rows just because it's thicker, and I like to go a little bit larger or put extra fabric so it comes out to be wider. Just made a knot, and then we're gonna make it go to our next one and then tie it here. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing so far. This is the one I'm currently doing. I did orange and blue. It's my place of work's colors. And so I made it really wide, and I tied it each way around the outside, and then I added a white one to go on the second level, and then I did a second level of that white color. And then what I like to do is add this thick blue tulle. You can I got all these from the Dollar Tree, or I got it on sale at Walmart, and I tied it as well around. And the next we're gonna do is add some more fabric. Okay, so next we're gonna do is add this orange color in this yellow. I like to do that sparkly netting color after I use the wired mesh, because it adds just this sparkly component, great for the holidays. And I'm just going to tie it around on our tinsel or our pipe cleaners. So what I like to do is go in and start spreading out our ribbon and just fluffing out our wreath. And then we're going to add one more layer of this yellow and then add in our ribbon. The last thing we're going to add is just tying in little slices of ribbon and then making a knot at the end. And then we're going to go in and just edit our wreath. So all we're gonna do is just cut, I'd say about 3 inches of fabric, and then tie it in a knot around our ribbon with using our, once you've finished adding all your ribbon, I like to go in and trim. Sometimes I cut the part of the white a little bit so it makes it more of a hole. You also wanna trim off the ends of the pipe cleaners. And then if you have one that already had pipe cleaners on them, if you want a fuller one, sometimes you have to add a couple. I just happen to have a few pipe cleaners, so I added them to add more ribbon. So we're gonna go ahead and trim, and then I have a chalkboard because I work with teachers, and I'm just gonna write our name on here. What I've done before is I've hung an ornament from the top. When I had a Duke one, I did a blue and white one, then got a blue and white ornament. Or you could do any other decorations. Like I added a football for our Seahawks Steelers one. I added some broomsticks and some Harry Potter glasses for our Harry Potter one. Okay, this is our wreath. We are all done. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comments. You could always subscribe. If you want to see more videos, I'm also on Instagram. It's beach_eats_SLP. Well, you guys have a happy holidays. Bye.